Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings as you see and we click. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the app of Drive. Then here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can mix errors in your app. And in the end, here in this page you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.